Hello, today we will learn more Spanish phrases related to emotions or the state of a person. In English we say I am very happy. In Spanish it would be estoy muy feliz. Are you busy? ¿Estás ocupado? He is sick. Él está enfermo. She is sick. Ella está enferma. Both are Spanish words that mean sick or ill. However, enferma is used to describe a female who is sick, while enfermo is used to describe a male who is sick. So, main difference is their grammatical gender, which determines their usage based on the gender of the person being described. I am very tired. Estoy muy cansada. It would be cansada if spoken by female and cansado if spoken by male. You are very sad. Estás muy triste. She is surprised. Ella está sorprendida. He is angry with me. Él está enojado conmigo. I'm embarrassed. Estoy avergonzado. I'm sorry. Lo siento. I'm afraid. Tengo miedo. Thank you for watching. Subscribe my channel to learn more Spanish phrases.